Hello everyone. It is my honor to introduce PKPM Aluminum formwork design software to you. It offers a comprehensive suite of features that enable precise model recognition, automated formwork allocation, detailed configuration for complex nodes, one-click generation of drawings and lists. Firstly, we upload the floor plan to the software, set the base points, and identify the axis network to complete the positioning. Afterwards, identify the contour lines of the wall in the drawing and generate a 3D model of the wall. Identify the contour lines and dimension annotations of the beam, and generate a 3D model of the beam. Next is the contour line of the lower hanging beam, the annotation of the lower hanging beam, and the generation of the corresponding model. As the wall beam model has already been generated, the floor panel only needs to recognize the thickness and subsidence annotations, and the software automatically calculates the boundary range to generate the floor panel model. Simultaneously identify openings such as mud ducts. At this point, a preliminary architectural model is taking shape, and we will add more details. Identify drip lines, plaster grooves, and embedded railings. Generate bay windows using contour lines. The establishment of stairs requires selecting drape points and setting parameters such as the number of stairs to complete the layout. Next, create an arc-shaped column, and the next step is to arrange the arc-shaped template. The 3D model has been established, and we will enter the formwork design part. The software has automatic design function, which can complete the design of the entire building in one go, or design it sequentially according to the room structure. The current display is the overall automatic mold matching of the floor panel, which is designed in one go, and the walls and beams are designed in sequence. For everyone to demonstrate, you can see the effect. This is designed for automatic bay windows, and the support positions will also be designed according to the spacing requirements. This is an automatic design for sunken rooms, and the software will generate formworks and reinforcement methods. The establishment of stairs requires selecting 3 points and the next is manual design, which also includes auxiliary functions that can be selected from 2 points and generated continuously. The curved formworks can be designed various shapes and angles. After completing the design, the software has a check function that can automatically troubleshoot parts such as collision, overlap, missing, misaligned hole positions. If there are any errors, there will be identification prompts. After completion, the model will become transparent as a whole, with red spheres indicating any errors. Clicking on the left list will automatically redirect you to the wrong part. After completing the modifications according to the list, we start preparing for exporting the drawing list. The software can partition the entire project and number each room according to its location, providing necessary assistance for future project implementation. At this moment, the software assigns a number to each template and structure, and each template will have its own unique installation number. Here, we can input the project name and other information to generate the installation drawings, and generate drawings for walls, beams, floor panels, and other parts separately. Let's take a look. Generate stair drawings, and the stairs will have elevation views displayed. Generate production and processing drawings in sequence. We will export the staircase processing drawings and send them to you later. You can browse the details based on the actual file. Finally, we will extract the list. Here, we can customize the style of the list and the required information at any time, and make adjustments as needed, so export the list. We will also send it to you later. The current version is in Chinese, and we will adjust it to English when you use it. That's all for the software's workflow demonstration. Thanks for your questions, and we will give you a reply as soon as possible.